So we're going to bring the right foot forward. We're going to work on the mobility of the ankle. We're going to keep that lower leg still. You're going to flex the ankle slightly. Now watch that we're not adding a load of tension in the top of the foot here. Sometimes we pull too much through the toes and not enough through the front of the ankle and top of the foot. So just flex it up, keeping that lower leg still. It's like you're trying to bring your little toe across and your big toe up towards your head. So it's like you're rotating the foot, getting length down the outside edge of that ankle. And then let's bring it back straight. Now you're going to think about pulling the little toe up towards you and the big toe away so the foot rotates here. So this is going to strengthen the bottom of the foot and its arches. It's also going to strengthen the top of the foot in the whole range, the top of that foot, diagonally as well. Yeah, you're definitely going to feel these. Yeah, they're connected. It's a kinetic, functioning chain. When you lose that strength here, you don't lift the foot, the front of the foot as you walk, and you end up with drag foot and shuffling. And then when we shuffle, we don't use our hips properly, we don't use our glutes properly, and our lower back becomes the punching bag. And then give it a little shake. Let's change the legs. Ready? Just flex the ankle and pull the big toe towards you, push the little toe away. Notice where you feel that stretch. You feel the stretch there, and then you feel the activation here. And then when we reverse it, push the big toe away, pull that little toe up towards you, and then you feel it here, contracting, and here, lengthening. Try not to take the foot side to side. Imagine it's kind of just stuck in a little channel there. Just doing that little movement. We'll get to the side bit. Couple more. And then bring it back. Give it a little wiggle. And then I'm going to go back onto that right foot. More rotation here now. Again, we want to keep that lower leg nice and still. We're going to bring the top of the foot and the toes towards the shin. We're going to rotate the ankle out to the side. We're going to take it down, press the ball of the foot and the toes into the floor, and then we're going to slide it across and then bring it up. And take it across, lift the toes. The toes are coming towards the shin when it's here. As you take it away, that's when you'll be getting that little toe towards you, the big toe away. Take it down, get the toes on the floor, slide it across, and you'll be pulling it up towards you. You'll notice that you're doing that little clawing thing then. Bring it up, spread the toes at the top. Sit nice and tall, shoulders down. And then change the direction. If you place your hands over the sort of mid-shin, heels of the hand either side, you'll feel all those muscles in the lower leg working. And we don't pay enough attention to these muscles and these muscles. Everybody wants a perky bum and flat stomach. That's not what's going to save you and keep you climbing up mountains and hills and hikings when you're 90 years old. And then give it a little shake. Are we ready? And draw those toes and the top of the foot up towards the shin. Take it to the side. Curl the toes under. As you take it down, ball of the foot and the toes on the floor. Scoop it along. Pull it up and circle. There's tons of muscles in the foot. You think how small the foot is compared to other appendages that we have, the amount of joints and muscles in that foot just tells you how important the movement and the strength of that foot is compared to the rest of the body. And then change direction. It's the foundation. You can have a really flashy sports car that glistens and sounds amazing, but you put a shit set of tires on it. What's the point? Change direction. Meanwhile, some old rust bucket with a good engine and a good set of tires will go forever. I did not just call all my clients rust buckets.